A very good afternoon, everybody. My name is Vaibhav. I'm the founder of Time Skills. Hi to Devyani, Disha, Neha, Ritankar, Shiva, Sovjanya, Soumya, Suganthi, Suvashis. We have Wahida, Venkateshwara Rao, and I think there are two different Venkateshwaras. Hi to everyone. This is Vaibhav again. Before we guys proceed, let me say hi to all in the chat box. Please confirm that you're all able to hear my voice loud and clear. You guys can see the screen, and of course, we're recording this class so that we can upload the same there on our YouTube channel. Thank you, Ritankar. All right, so let's quickly begin by creating the session agenda. So, in the session today, I'm going to help you guys to learn about content writing industry overview. How exactly content writing as an industry works. What are different types of practices one needs to follow to be a good content writer? At the same time, I'm going to help you guys to understand how exactly the overall market works from a point of view of a job, from a point of view of a freelancer, or from a point of view of a business agency owner, so that you guys can go ahead and plan ahead your career accordingly. I'm also going to put some light that's on two sources of income that one can generate as a content writer. And the most important part that I'm going to create is how. A lot of people, from the content industry, they talk about that, you can make this much money, you can make that much money. But in this lesson, I'm going to help you guys to overall understand the process, that what are the best practices to make that much money. At the same time, how much time it takes to be there, a realistic expectation, so that you can align yourself towards that if you're ready to go ahead and give yourself, let's say 2 years from here, to be a good pro writer around content as an industry overall, then this industry is for you. In the end, I'm going to create an overview of IM Skills Content Writing Master Program. Why is that we are the most respected institution out there delivering the content writing master courses? What are special ingredients that we use in our training program that makes you guys a great writer? And what are the different types of skills you're going to develop here, and how the overall program we have designed? In the end, we'll keep an open Q&A round, so that if in case you guys have any questions, doubts related to content writing or anything around it, you guys can feel free to go ahead and ask me those. So I think we are all good to go, right? Quick yes, guys, that yes, we are able to understand, relate the overall session agenda. Okay, so now let's start by understanding you guys, what exactly you guys understand this term called content writing from. So let me go ahead and ask a simple question to all of you. So people, those who are live with me, including Devyani, Disha, Neha, Nitendra, Palak, Ritankar, and everyone else, according to you guys, why do you think people hire content writers? What are different types of expectations they keep in their mind while hiring anybody for a content writing profile? So I'll give you guys 30 seconds. Please go ahead, use in the chat box, mention why do you think businesses they hire content writers, what they accomplish from this particular profile, and what are the different types of expectations they keep in their mind while hiring somebody as a writer. So everybody, you have 30 seconds. Please go ahead and contribute. And I humbly request everyone to participate in the same, because the more you guys will participate with me in the session, the higher value you can expect. For brand awareness, as per Sugandhi, great. What about others? To grab audience attentions, as per Disha, very good. Others, please. Expecting the exact deliverables, okay. As per Venkateshwara, very good. Great praise in the market, very good with Anchor, okay. Anybody else who would like to go ahead and mention? They hire writers to educate people about their services or products, okay, great, Soumya. All right, so now let's go ahead and understand why exactly businesses they hire content writers. Now, if you understand the market, majorly there are three core objectives: online sales, lead generation, and brand building. Now, you need to understand you guys are not responsible to sell a product or generate leads or develop a brand for anybody, but the writers plays the most important role with these three objectives. Other than this, there are very specific roles. Let's say if you get hired with Times of India as a company, or if you get hired with any company, let's say Notion Press, a publication house, you have a very specific kind of a role that you are only responsible to help people to do proofreading or publish their press releases, write a news article. However, those are rare occasions. Majorly, there are three different types of companies in the market. These are like businesses into online acquisition of customer, businesses for lead generation, and businesses, those who do brand building using content writers. I'll give you guys some great examples so that you are all able to relate this. And then I'll help you to understand the monetization model. Let's first understand about online acquisition model. Companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Zomato, all those companies, those who are which are into a model of buying or acquiring a customer online. For an example, let's assume if you're looking forward to buy iPhone 11, 64 GB, white color. What are the best practices you actually do? One, that you will go ahead, open the application by the name Amazon.in, and there you're going to search for the product there on their portal. Once you're going to get the product, let's say here, you're going to search iPhone 11 and you'll get the product details, and accordingly, you will make a purchase if you have that particular product in the budget and everything. On the other side, the audience there on the internet, these guys, they search for a product. Where exactly? They use search engines and they search for a product. Let's say they are going to write iPhone 11 there on this particular platform called YouTube or search engine. Now look at it as a number. Now this is iPhone 11 as a product. This is being searched. Let it get open. Just give me a second. This is our Indian market. In Indian market, iPhone 11 is being searched 1.8 million times every month. That's the monthly volume around the internet as a Google, as a search engine. Almost 1.8 million people, they search or they Google a product called iPhone 11. Now, how do they buy? Let's understand that. 6 lakh, some people, almost 10,000 people, 6 lakh 10,000 people, they click at organic results, SEO based results. All right, I am extremely sorry. I kind of lost my internet connection. I hope we are now connected and you're all able to hear my voice. Can I get the quick acknowledgement from you guys in the chat box? Am I loud and clear? Thank you. Thank you, guys. So where were we? So I hope you all have heard around Amazon thing. Have you? Quick yes. Great. So let me recreate. Now, there are people, they write Amazon.in as the search engine. I mean, the application of the either website or let's say the application there on the mobile device. And people, those who have intent to buy iPhones, they are going to buy from the search engine. One, that's the way. Other way is that they will Google a term called iPhone 11. The audience is like 1.8 every month, 1.8 million, and they search for it as a product there on the internet. Out of which 9 lakh some people, they react, through which 6 lakh 10,000 people, they click at organic results. 3 lakh 10,000 people click at paid ads. Rest, they don't click anywhere. Now, these are advertisements, shopping ads by Google. It's not your profile. You're not the one who's going to create these things, but you play a very important role here as a copywriter. These are 60 characters used by a copywriter to go ahead and run this advertisement. An image was created by infographic designer and, or you can say graphic designer, and the overall advertisement was created by a digital marketer. But the one who writes these copies, the ad copies, okay, are the copywriters. And copies, people basically click at these ads. Finally, they land to the particular page and they make their buying decisions. The rest of the audience, they click at results. Those are available here. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are organic results, SEO based results. Now, what are SEO results? So search engines have webmaster guidelines. Webmaster guidelines stands for that how you have to write there on the internet. That stands for search engine friendly content. The better you are going to write and your website and the content of the blog or the landing page, whatever it is, that is eligible in terms of meeting all the criteria they have given you, the higher chances you are going to get that your content will appear in front of them. For example, when you search for the content writing course or best content writing courses, our website and some other competitors' website that appeared. That does not mean only we are the one, those who are offering the content writing courses. There are a million of other websites offering the same course. But because our content is aligned as per what search engine wants or how search engine wants, that's the reason this content will get higher positions. Now you need to understand what's the role of a writer. Again, you are not the one who will create or design this product page, but you are the one who will write this entire product page description, keeping search engine or webmaster guidelines in mind so that you can rank your content higher in terms of search engines visibility and they get more and more number of clicks. That is one of the reason. If I'll go back, Amazon appears here at third position. They receives around 4,24,000 hits on this term called iPhone 11. If you scroll down the page, the websites, those are like Gadgets, NDTV, Mac Rumors, all this, they hardly get 2,000 hits. They hardly get 5,000 hits. Why? Because typically the positions, those are at, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, even on page 1, they get the maximum number of click. And that's the way content writers plays the most important role. Now, Amazon doesn't have just iPhone. They have millions of products, right? A role of a writer is to understand overall search engine and, let's say guidelines, to create a content that ranks faster, or to create an ad copy as a copywriter so that people should finally go ahead and make a purchase, buy a product, because that is what is the core objective for Amazon. Everybody, first type of a business is clear. Quick yes from you guys in the chat box. So you're not responsible to, go ahead and sell a product, but you play the most important role in the organization, because if you're not well aligned with these kind of skills, Amazon will not be able to go ahead and create their better visibility. And if they do not have a visibility, it's almost impossible that they will be able to earn a revenue, because they will not be able to sell a product. Quick yes, other than Sashmita, thanks for the acknowledgement. Others, please. You guys are well aligned. Quick yes. Now, other than this, let's talk about businesses into lead generation model. Now, this is one of the interesting things. You guys will be able to relate it. While you were searching for the content writing course, you might have observed, along with, let's say, with us, there are other institutions as well delivering the courses. You might have not just searched for a content writing course there on our, let's say, website. You have been to Quora, you've been to YouTube, you have been to other blogs, and you've been to everywhere, right? Wherever you were, we have asked you, why don't you participate in a free demo class before you start with a course or buy a course, right? Or we might have asked you, would you like to attend a free or speak with a counselor? Or let's say, would you like to download a brochure or such kind of a thing, detailed information? But to do all this, activity, there was one thing that we asked you: give us your name, email, and phone number. And percentage of you were searching for content writing course. Let's assume this. Some of you may be searching for content writing courses in India. Some of you might have searched for online content writing course. Some of you might have searched for best content writing course in India. And some of you might have searched around a career in content writing, a career after English honors, or something like that. Am I correct? But the final alignment was all around content writing can be a great thing. And then we asked you not to buy. Give us your details. What details? Details like your phone number, email ID, and name, so that we can showcase how much is the potential as a content writing industry that carry for you. Every organization, those which are into a model of service-based company, what they do, they acquire a customer, but through lead generation model. Everybody, is this clear? Now, wherever you go, any service-based company, they are going to ask you to create a content. It can be social media. It can be a website, let's say a Quora. It can be a YouTube content. It can be a content for a website or any place. But in the end of the day, it's all about content that can help them to generate more and more number of inquiries. Everybody able to relate? Another great example you can go ahead and understand from Naukri.com. How many of you have ever applied for a job with Naukri.com? Anybody in this group? Quick yes, no, maybe. Anybody in the group have ever applied for a job through Naukri? You have. Now, if you observe what's Naukri as a business model is, they do not offer you guys any job. What they do, they generate a lead. Now, in this case, go ahead and give them information, including their name, phone number, address, their academic background, work experience, and everything. So what they have a qualified database. Then there are some HR consultants, they buy that data from Naukri.com. What happens is that these HR consultants have some kind of a tie-up with organizations. They help them to recruit the right manpower, and then they earn a commission. But Naukri, just to go ahead and help you to get a job, they simply go ahead and give you guys every time when you search for any kind of a job, BPO job, IT job, content writing jobs, you get Naukri in front of you, and then they encourage, please upload your resume so that they can go ahead and get you guys hired because they sell the data. So that's in their case, that's the lead generation model. Look at Just Dial. They generate leads for different types of work profile, and then they sell those leads to the people, those who are catering to that kind of a particular market. Everyone, quick yes. Now you're all clear that what's the model. Now in this case, a writer job is to go ahead and create a content for the organization for various channels, so that wherever your audience is and they're searching about a product or service, can be YouTube, can be Quora, can be Medium, can be a website or partner website or some other professional blogs, they can go ahead and showcase your content to others so that they can finally ask you to give them their details, whatever they need, can be phone number, email, or whatever. Everybody, quick acknowledgement. You're clear about the second set of a business, second business model as well. Okay, great. Now let's learn about the third type of a business and how writers like you help people to go ahead and help various brands to achieve this particular part. Now the third set of a business is brand building model. Now there are big companies you might have observed. Let's say a great example, Cadbury Dairy Milk was running a great storyline during first 2 weeks of that Diwali period, a week before Diwali, or you can say during that Diwali period, not just at social media, not just at internet, including mass media channels such as radio, television, newspapers. What they have done, they were reaching out to audience. They were just trying to connect you in terms of that whenever you go out to do Diwali gift shopping thing, you see Cadbury, that 100 rupee box or 150 rupees box, you can pick one for yourself. You might have noticed now there are no such aggressive advertisements from Cadbury. Why? Because the time period is over. Similarly, you might have observed, if you have a little interest, let's say in politics, and you are an active reader with a channel like, let's assume, Quora. Okay. Now with Quora, you are living in a particular state wherein there are elections going to happen, and you have a little interest in this subject called politics. You may notice that you're getting a lot of buzz around a ruling party or the one who's actually planning to fight for the next election from any other party opposition. They may reach out to you to show you guys some great words around that particular ruling party person or somebody whosoever is like a prospect for the next CM position for that particular state. What they do, they use internet as a platform. They use writers to write a great storyline, talk about achievements, great things this person has done for the state, so that you can go ahead and consider. They just put that information very consciously in your mind, so that the day you go out to vote and you're an eligible voter, you have a little interest in politics, they simply go ahead and consider this party. That's the way. They never ask you to go ahead and vote for the particular party directly. All they do is that they feed you that information very slowly, very gradually, in a way that you can consider always that, okay, they are good. They are good for the state. They're good for the nation, like that. You might have also noticed the last part around the brand building thing. See, internet is now aware that you are interested to study about content writing. You may go ahead, open Google Chrome app there on your mobile device. Okay. If you open after the search bar, if you scroll down the page, you might have noticed you're getting push notifications, something like this. You may like to read, or you may have missed reading it, around topics such as content writing career, content writing jobs, content writing courses in a city that you belong to, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, online. How many of you have noticed this part? that you've never been to those websites, but you're still getting a notification to read that content. Anybody in the group have noticed this part? And if you have, you may observe you're even getting a notification there on social media channels about the next upcoming dates, about any institution. Have you noticed this thing, guys? Quick yes, no, maybe. Anybody? So now what happens is that they are aware that you guys are potential audience towards those who are interested to buy, those who are interested to study about the subject, and they're reaching out to masses using this. Writers like you, they perform this job. They create a content and they finally help the organization to achieve these types of business objectives. So what we have in the market, online acquisition of a customer, lead generation, or brand building. Other than this, there are few specific profiles wherein you are going to become a writer. Those who write a very specific kind of a content. Let's say if you're going to work for an agency, maybe you will be asked to write only statement of purposes, maybe just a book proofreader, maybe book writer, maybe you may write just research papers or academic writing if you join an institution. Maybe you will just, let's say if you're from the HR background, you are just supposed to go ahead and write, the processes known as instructional designing. Maybe if you will join a particular, let's say, a news portal, you're only responsible to write articles, press journals, or press articles. But that's very, very rare thing. The overall market, 90% of the things, almost businesses, they use content writers for the set profile. I hope we are all aligned now that these are the profiles. Typically, I may go ahead and finally help the organization, whosoever will hire me in the near future. I'm going to cater to these markets. Now, the question that may come to your mind is that this is what market is, let's say, expecting from me as a content writer. Now, let me go ahead and help you guys to learn how are you going to achieve an objective that's around achieving your goals. Now, see, we are not aware about it, that if the moment you will graduate from any institution, us or others in the market, who will come and hire? You cannot assure that Times of India will hire, a startup will hire, an e-commerce company will hire. So we have no idea, right? We cannot even be sure about it. Now, let me go ahead and help everybody. To everyone, I'll help you guys to learn what are the best practices to achieve your final goals. It can be a job, freelancing career, or it can be a full-time agency that you can start with after learning content writing. So I would like to ask you guys before we talk about it, why are you here? What would you like to achieve? A job, a freelance career, or a business? Everybody, please go ahead and help me to understand this. Please go ahead and put that in the chat box. Meanwhile, I'll take a sip of water. So whatever you would like to receive, achieve, Palak, Sugandhi, Venkateshwara, they are here to become freelancer. Great. Sashmita would like to become a freelancer. Rikanka would like to start with a business. Subhashish would like to become a freelancer and eventually a business freelancer. Though I have no idea for Ritanka, no problem. That's what we are here for. Nitanda to become a freelancer. Wahida to start with a job. Very good. Manju to become a freelancer. Others, please. Anybody else who would like to mention? Soumya to start with a job. That's amazing. Now let me go ahead and one by one pick these subjects and I'll help you guys to learn around each and everything. Now, first and foremost, remember one thing, content writing is a part of organic marketing. Okay. Organic marketing is slow, non-transparent industry, and it's something that requires a lot of patience for you to go ahead and be a good organic marketer. It's not something that you will start today and next day you're all pro. Remember this thing, guys. Okay. Now what happens is a lot of institution and a lot of students have couple of beliefs. Those are not correct actually. So I'll help you guys to overall understand that what it takes to actually land to a dream job in content writing industry, and how you should go ahead and develop your career in this particular industry if you're here to get a job. So right now I'm only talking about job point of view. All right. And we will talk about the next point of view, that's called freelancing or starting a business. What happens is you're not clear who will come and hire you. It can be Amazon. It can be IM Skills. Let's assume this. And it can be, let's say, Nestle. All right. Now, Amazon, IM Skills, and Nestle, these three companies have different types of business styles. What exactly will help me to go ahead and be ready about every type of a business? So there is a word called portfolio. A portfolio stands for you must know how to go ahead, write a book, how to write a PR press release, how to go ahead, write an article, those are SEO friendly, how to write SOPs, how to even write resume, how to write white papers, how to go ahead, write research articles. In short, how to write, can you see this? All these types of writing styles. Because you have no idea who will come and hire you tomorrow, correct? Now, on the other side, this particular type of a writing that I'm talking about, it should not be a case that you've done it somewhere on Word format and you just have a thing and then your faculties, wherever you are, us or anywhere else, they have reviewed it and clapped for you that you have really done a great job. Answer is no. I'll explain you one thing. Amazon, let's assume there is a new product launch, iPhone 14. Amazon will not trust you about your content or let's say your SEO writing skills if you do not have a good content that ranks already on search engine. They're not going to give you their iPhone 14 page to go ahead and create. That's one. And if it is copywriting for the ads, they will spend money, right? Let's say they have 1 crore budget to run for iPhone 14 as the advertisement. They are not going to make you a part of a team wherein you are a good copywriter and you are going to run ads for these guys. Why? Because you've done a short course from us or anywhere else. They need somebody with a proven track record, a person who can assure them that I know this job and I'm going to help you to finally achieve your goals in the set time. Everybody able to relate? Quick yes, no, maybe. Ask yourself, will you consider somebody who've done a course and you are Amazon or you are IM Skills or you are some XYZ brand to do a job wherein a person have just done a course? Of course not, right? You will look forward in terms of how much surety this person or this particular organization can get from this person, that okay, if this particular job is aligned towards this person, he or she will finally be able to achieve the goals within the set time. Able to relate, guys? Now, this is where IM Skills is unique. I'm going to talk about the secret ingredients that we use here in our training program that makes our students job ready. And I would like to go ahead and talk about numbers without anything that's just a random thing. I really humbly request all, go on this channel called LinkedIn. In the search bar, write IM Skills. I repeat, you are going to get list of 10,000 plus students. Okay, 10,000 plus. Connect with anybody on LinkedIn. Talk to them and ask them how IM Skills program is that I'm going to create next, by the way, but still go on LinkedIn, talk to them and check where are they working. So now let's go ahead and understand what is portfolio. We are going to teach you 25 different types of content writing skills in our training program. Along with this, we are going to develop your portfolio wherein we will make you go ahead and write for Times of India blog. We will help you to publish your book there on Kindle or Google Book, even the hard copy. We are going to help you to publish your first PR. So what we do here, the book you launch, we go ahead and help you to do a PR of that. We go ahead and ensure that you are going to become author with at least 10 different websites. And the websites that you're writing for, you have your content live there with a lifetime access to those sites so that you have something to showcase to these people. When you're going to write your SOP, those are going to be evaluated by us so that you can go ahead and see the kind of things that you've written, how much effect that you are going to get around that. At the same time, when we teach you guys copywriting skills, it's not just writing this thing. Let's say how to write a book or how to write a advertisement copy. We are going to walk you through about all the tools given by Google, Facebook, and all, so that you can also get a hands-on experience at how to create various types of ads copy, so that you know and you have a hands-on experience there. Now, overall, each and everything when you are going to do, it's going to be live and practical. So that when the day you will apply for the jobs that we will align you to, we can showcase your links of those profiles that this person have done this job. And in the end, what do you get next? You get an opportunity to go ahead and drive that trust that this person will go ahead and transform my business, because this particular job that this person have done aligns us in terms of the content is already ranking. This person has a book published and it's already live. So that's what stands for a portfolio development. And there is a lot more that I'll talk in the next 5 minutes after creating around the job, freelance and business part. But job people, are you guys clear that what it takes to get a job? Remember one thing, whether you learn here or you learn somewhere else, this is the only way that you're going to get a job. Other than this, there are no other practices you can follow and you're going to get that dream job. Reason being, all the people out there are only looking forward to hire a pro and they are ready to spend extra bucks, but they want to hire somebody who can assure them around results. Quick yes from all those who are here to get a job. Are you guys clear? Great. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. Now let's talk about freelancing. Every freelancers here. Let me go ahead and talk about something around freelancing. I'll club this with business. Okay. First and foremost, freelancing is not for lazy people. If you have a belief that I'm going to make a lot of money without any efforts, please do not join content writing industry. It's not for you. And mark my words, there are institutions spreading a word that you are going to get clients from US, UK, all that. It's all selling skill. It's all about they're just trying to sell you their product, nothing else. Because a person who is actually, speaking, let's say you have a counselor, they're coaching you, right? They're guiding you that you can earn good money from US, UK. They themselves are counseling people. If they see a great potential from freelancing thing and all that, why are they, making calls to the people, convincing them about it? Why they themselves cannot go ahead and learn the course? And they speak as good as you guys, as a language. If I talk about English, they write well, right? They draft good emails. You might have noticed this part. Now, see, this industry is diluted by a lot of I would say again institutions here. Reason being, they give you guys some false kind of a promises. Now please understand, those who are here to get a job, you guys will be able to go ahead and get a job, because developing a portfolio takes around 4 months. Freelancers and business owners, please pay attention what you guys need. You guys need a portfolio, because if you do not have a visible track record, nobody will outsource you their kind of work. Are you with me? Quick yes. Nobody will trust you. Now, let's assume you have a good portfolio. But my friend, if you do not know how to go ahead and do marketing, do you think you will be able to go ahead and reach out to those people? No. So you need to learn marketing. You need to learn sales. You need to learn delivery. You need to learn finance. You need to learn HR skills. Let's say if you have more, let's say good business or you have big ticket, you may have to go ahead and get a new client, or let's say you have so many clients, so you need to hire a lot of new people. You should have overall all types of entrepreneurial skills. You should be a CEO of your brand who knows everything. And this happens here at iMskills. Now let me go ahead and talk about the secret ingredient that we have. A word on a recorded line. Sue me if that doesn't happen and ask for a refund. If you follow, and it's a recorded line, this will go live on our YouTube channel. If you follow all the advices given by the faculties here at iMskills, a person who is here to get a job will have a job interview lined up right after the course completion. A person who is here to start with a business will start a business in the course, not after the course. And you're going to get your first client in the training, not after the training. And that you will capture from the internet. It's a promise. Now, let's learn what are the secret ingredients used here at iMskills that makes our content writing master program well aligned as per what students need. Now, guys, what happens is we understand each one of you comes from a different background. Some of you have, a different academic background. Some of you have working experience. Some of you may not have working experience. Some of you are here to get a job. Some of you are here to start with a freelancer. Some of you are, let's say, very fast learners. Some of you are slow learners. So you are all different, right, from one to each other. Now we all understand you have zero idea about what content writing industry is. There are 25 types of writing styles. What we do, we run a 1 month course. In 1 month, we consider every student is similar from one to each other, and we teach them how to write all these types of contents. And then we do weekly assessments. We give you guys weekly feedback around the work you've done. Whether it was good, we will clap. If it was not good, we will give you feedback. Okay, no slap, only clap. All right. Now what happens is 25 types of content writing skills every student will learn from us in the first 1 month. And now you all are at the same stage, correct? That you all are writers who can write all types of contents. Why? Because we have reviewed it as the faculty, and we know that you're going to do a good job. Now we are going to put you in a 3 months internship. This internship is not like you're going to work for any company. It's again like you will have for 10 Sundays, I am going to host 10 different lectures wherein you will learn how to go ahead and job people will develop their portfolios. Business people that I'm naming here, freelancers and business as one term, business people will launch their business or freelancing career. How? By developing their portfolio. Along with this, you're going to do marketing, sales, and everything in the course with me. And these things will happen live. So in a 4 months duration, job person will get a job, business person will start a business and go live with the same. And this thing will happen in the 3 months internship. So what happens is that we divide people into two different batches, and the 3 month internship program will be delivered in a personalized way depending upon your final goals that you would like to go ahead and meet. And the goal setup class we do as the first session, that why are you here? So if you're traveling from Delhi to, let's say, any particular location, let's say Shimla, you know where you're traveling, right? In most of the cases, people have no clue. They will start from Delhi, but they do not know where they have to go ahead and stop. So first we define where is your full stop thing will gonna happen. And this particular thing happens in the lecture number 1. This is our secret ingredient. Now, if you understand it this way, there are two classes, I would say three. A class wherein students in an arts class would like to become lawyers, possible. But there are students in the art class who would like to become doctors. And there are students who would like to become finance professionals. It is difficult, other than lawyers, for these two profiles to achieve their goals, because the content delivery from the academic side will be differently in the case of doctors, or let's say professional finance professionals. They may require a different type of a content delivery, right? At every institution, if you map their training program, it's just one straight delivery. Maybe one person, a job person, will get a job. Maybe a freelancer will get a freelancing career. But how can they assure everybody that you will achieve your final goals without understanding that how good or bad they are from the background? Able to relate? So that's the process that we follow, so that everybody can go ahead and finally meet their goals. Quick acknowledgement there in the chat box. And I would like to be very, very specific about one thing, guys. Content writing, it is not something that you guys will be able to go ahead and get all in a day. If you have minimum 4 months to 5 months, I repeat, if you have minimum 4 months to 5 months to give yourself, you have to really work hard. Okay. If you have that much time, this industry is for you. Why am I saying this? It's easy for me to say right now that you will write 30,000 words book. But my friend, you have to type, you have to think and research, and then you're going to type and publish it. If I'm going to say that you're going to become author with Times of India, you have to write. If I'm saying you are going to become an author with 10 different websites, you have to write a content for those websites as well. Are you all with me? This is a time consuming thing. Portfolio development takes its own sweet time. And without a portfolio, neither a job or a business, both are not achievable thing. And if you really would like to go ahead and live a life wherein, no matter where you are, would you like to see where I am right now? Let me turn on the, camera and see the beauty. This is somewhere I am on a hill, but yes, of course, to achieve this goal, I've given hard enough time in terms of creating whatever we have today, right? So what I'm trying to just tell you, wherever you are in the world, beauty of content writing is that you can be a part of this industry from anywhere. You are a global manpower, but it takes its own sweet time. And this industry from here will definitely grow. Why am I saying this? Reason being, no matter what, websites are growing every second and they need writers to write for their website, blogs, articles, social media. These are live internet stats. Okay, every milliseconds more than 10, 15, 20 websites are going live. That is the beauty. So the point is, if we have these many websites growing live, how much content production can happen, how much a growth for a freelancer or a business owner or even from a job point of view will happen. Because post pandemic, even a small shopkeeper is now clear that I have to take 1% of my business online. And without taking it online, I'm going to face repercussions in near future. TV celebrities have started vlogging. Why? Because they know we should have passive source of income and a lot more. And this is why content is growing for every channel. Everybody, are you all clear? Quick yes, no, maybe. And those who were unclear about few subjects, I'll take your questions in the end, given we have less time available and I have to cover a few more topics. That's why. Sounds great, guys. Cool. Now let's go ahead and talk about the next part. I am going to introduce you guys around affiliate marketing. How many of you have ever heard around affiliate marketing in the past? Anybody in the group? Quick yes, no, maybe. Ritankar, I will surely explain in the end. How many of you have ever heard around affiliate marketing? Okay, those who have never heard about it, I'm going to introduce you guys about affiliate marketing. Those who have heard about it, that's amazing. You guys are somewhat familiar around internet as an industry. Let me explain. There are two different types of marketing. I repeat what these marketing things are: affiliate marketing and influencer marketing. Do you know how many of you follow some people? They have 50K followers on Instagram. They promote specific type of a product. Let's say a girl, she's beautiful, and she may produce promote. I'm sorry, not produce. I'm so sorry. She may go ahead and promote a product related to beauty thing, right? Or let me go ahead and give you guys Virat Kohli as an example. Let's say Virat Kohli promotes a specific kind of a thing, right? And given he has 60 or 160 million followers, something like this, there on his channel for Instagram. Now, if he does that, that stands for, it's a influencer marketing. He's influencing his audience to go ahead and promote a specific product. In this case, whether people buy or they don't buy, doesn't matter to Virat, he's going to charge the money. That will happen because he is influencing his audience. All right, is this clear? That's influencer marketing. What affiliate marketing is, you are a blogger, you are a vlogger, you are a content writer. What you're doing, you're promoting any kind of a product, a home utensil, even a pressure cooker, let's say a watch, anything, even a shoe, a health product, even a book, anything in this world, I repeat, that you see and buy from internet, it's promoted by promoters or bloggers or article writers like you and me. What happens is that when you actually search for anything and you click there on the internet, so what happens is that they give you guys some links. When you click on those links, you redirect it to the final website they are promoting and you make a purchase there. This blogger will earn a commission that varies from 1% to 100%, depending upon what the other organization is giving to this person. So let's do some maths here. Let's understand. Now, what would you like to go ahead and talk about? Let's go ahead and talk about. One second, let me minimize this. Okay, let's say course, best machine learning course. Okay, can you see this? LearnDataScience.com. Can you see Udemy and all? Now, Udemy is not affiliated. Coursera is not. Medium is not. Geek for Geek is affiliated. Top 7 machine learning course, these are affiliated. Hacker.io affiliated. KD Nuggets affiliated. Is not affiliated. 9 website affiliated. Any link that you're going to click here, any link, these are affiliated. If you are going to observe this particular link, content, UTM partner, link share, can you see this? So if I'm going to buy this 50,000 rupees product, this guy will get 5,000 rupees as a commission. Let's talk about best laptops. Okay, forget this. You remember I searched for iPhone 11 few minutes back. I received GSM Arena as a website and they get 5 lakh plus hits on this website. Every link here given by GSM Arena, this is how they make money. Okay. Every link is affiliated. Can you see tag is equal to gsm.com? That's affiliated. You search for, what would you like to search? Okay, you search for iPhone, sorry, watch iWatch SE unboxing videos. Okay, now this is iPhone or any video that you will open. We want to open this or this, any video. I'll open first one. They are affiliated. This person in the video will tell you that, okay, this is how you can go ahead and buy. One, he's selling his merchandises. Second, brand I use on Amazon, screen protector I use. These are all affiliated links. Able to relate, able to see? You are searching for laptops under 50K. Gadgets.ndtv, affiliated. Every link that you can see here. This is how bloggers make money. And you guys won't believe how much money they make. I'll just give you some kind of a calculation here. You search for best AC, air conditioner. You search for best hosting. Now look at this website, energy conversion device. This is again affiliated. Have a look. 10 best AC in India. Can you guys see this number? What they're giving you, top 10 best AC, 1.5 LG, 5-ton, dual star, whatever, affiliated. Now you may get to learn and get a surprise around it that, okay, it's a simple blog. Pay attention how they're making money. A blog that talks about home-based products, best air conditioner, cooler, air fryer, purifier, Bluetooth, all these home-based products, right? Utensils or all such things. Then this person, this website receives around, if I have to Google it, they are promoting Amazon products. Let's understand the overall maths here, that how much traffic do they receive? Mountains or hills? So they know where you are. Just kidding. 1, 2, 3. 263,000 people, they are reading this content every month on a terms like English India. Let's go to English India. Best ACs, best mixer grinders, and all that. These are all those people who are here to buy best of these things: mixer grinder, air conditioner, ovens, and everything. I hope you are all able to relate this, because you were also one of those when you have searched for best content writing course, correct? Am I right? Quick yes, no, maybe. Now they receive 263,000 hits every month. Let's analyze step number 2. Amazon affiliate program. How much commission do they offer? Associate program. They are saying on kitchen appliances, kitchen and houseware product, you get 9% commission. I mean, they have written the commission percentage. For air conditioner and all, large appliances and all this, 5%, television and all, 5%. That's the commission rate. This person or this particular blog is selling on an average a product of 20,000-30,000 rupees, not lesser than this. That is for sure. It's like 2,000 rupees on an average must be a commission. They get 263,000 hits. Now let's understand, after writing how many content or articles, they are getting these many hits. I'm not showing you a overall traffic count of sites like GSM Arena, gadgets.ndtv. That will blow our mind. So I'm just giving you some realistic numbers so that you can also align yourself that it is a possible and an achievable number for you guys. So have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Until kettles in India, it is 20. Until this laptops under 30, it's going to be 40. Until grinder falls, 60. Until grinders in India, until conditioners best AC 100, and then solar pen 120. Around about 120 articles they have, not beyond this. Math is in front of you. Whenever you get time, read, okay, and do the calculation. I'm giving you the URL in the chat box. They have written hypothetically 120 articles, not more than this overall. Sounds great. How many hits do they get? Can I write the number here? On this website called Energy Conversion Device, after writing 120 articles, this website receives 2.63 lakh people every month. My question to everyone now, what percentage do you think on a scale of 1% to 100% are the people who will click and buy? What percentage on a scale of 1% to 100% are the people who will click and buy? Venkatesh says 50%. Okay. 75%. Okay. 2 to 3%. So Ashish, very good. Others, please. On an average, affiliate conversion is 3% to 8%. If you have targeted audience as female, you have higher chances of conversion. In the case of male, less. That's how market is. There is a saying, they are impulsive buyers. They buy things quickly, especially in the case when it is beauty related. Giving you any random number, that's the reality. I've been an affiliate marketer. I still run a lot of affiliate channels and I know this number. I'm any false number. I am going to give you guys bare minimum figure of 1%. 1% people will finally buy. They give 6 months cachet guarantee. So like if I click today and I'm not going to buy today, I'll buy after 3 months. They will still give me commission because the website saves the cachet. Okay. Is this clear? 1% stands for 2630 people will buy. I repeat, 2630. On an average, I said 2000 is what they are making. I'll not give you that number again. That is a wrong figure. So if it is 2000 INR to USD, what do we learn here? INR 2000 stands for 26 USD. No, wrong figure. I am going to give you guys, they make only $2 per sale. That's again a minimum number, $2, 150 bucks. Okay. So what do we get? 2630 multiply by 2, 5260 is what they make. So 5260 as a USD is what this blog minimum makes, no matter what this person is doing. This person earns around 4 lakh rupees without doing anything, only after writing a blog. This person worked on his blog since last whatever years, and this person is only writing a right article that can rank higher, and he's promoting, or he or she is promoting a product that's around what people buy, and that's the basic need of everybody. And that's the bare minimum number this person makes. Are you all able to relate with this number? Do you understand how content writing works? Now, you're not, so I'm not here who's giving you just a random figure. Let me go ahead and introduce each and everything. I run all these channels like Advisor Uncle. Obviously, now in my case, see, I also promote IM Skills programs or my team members. I don't write anymore, by the way. My team members, they write. One of the things I promote IM Skills programs, and we still make money from other courses. That's from, let's say, we don't offer a course with this, let's say. So we are promoting Udemy here. Because why? Because Udemy give us a good money. Now you may think 70 rupees per sale is what you earn, but don't forget, you earn in bulk. There are bulk buyers across the world. That's the beauty. I run advisoruncle.com. I run coursedekho.com. I run coursenearyou.com. These are all affiliate channels. I run webhubk.com. I run digitalcoursesindia.com. These are again, as I said, all affiliate channel. I run idiot.com. What else we run? We run, what else? It was content writing, trainings.com. These are all our websites. All are live with the written content and all that. Now, what are we trying to talk about here? In the case when you are into content as an industry, all right, you have a lot of opportunity to go ahead and monetize your content. So content, one is affiliate, other one is Google AdSense as a service. AdSense is that you're going to give your website on a lease, a space to search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing to run ads. They will run advertisement as per your choice again, and they will give you 60% of the revenue they're going to earn. So let's say we were at which website? What was that? Just a second. Energy conversion devices. What are Google AdSense? I'll just show you. If you're reading about best air conditioner, right? There were few advertisements in the past that we might have checked. Okay, this is what it is. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see this? If I will click here, this guy will earn good money. These are spaces given by these people to go ahead and get, let's say a passive source of income. Have you ever seen a YouTube video and you get a chance to also go ahead and set or check any kind of a, advertisement? That's again a part of AdSense. Able to let everybody. So these are all part of content creation only. Now, one question that may come to your mind: how much time it takes affiliate marketer to make money? Guys, it is not something that you will start today and tomorrow you will earn 10,000. No, it is something that takes its own sweet time in terms of generating a content. And once you will generate a good quality content, you are likely to start with first 1,000, then you will reach to 10K and then a lakh. But this process is not a one-day thing. It's a long-term vision, 2 to 3 years from here. And first you have to give. What you have to give? Content. Production is what you're going to go ahead and produce, and that takes your time. It doesn't require money, but it surely requires a good amount of time. Everybody all aligned? Quick yes, no, maybe. Was it nice? Was it clear? Do we teach affiliate marketing and AdSense? Answer is yes, in our training program. At the same time, we help you to launch that, but no false expectation to anybody. I always suggest people to keep affiliate marketing as the passive source of income, not as the primary source of income. Whether you earn 10,000 or you earn 10 lakh, all right, it is always an optional thing. Do not ever go and get dependent upon this particular profile. Why? Because I have a belief, till the time you do not have a control about something, it's not for you. So in the case, you are dependent upon the other organizations. So of course you don't have a control. So that's not a right thing. All right. Now let's understand about the last part. Why IIM skills? As I said, our courses are 100% objective driven. People who are here to get a job will get a job. Those who are here to start with a business will start a business. In the course, nothing after the course. 100% practical learning. Weekly assessments will happen. Weekly feedback will be given, and everything will be happening practically. You are going to do and go live with each and everything that we have mentioned there on a brochure. Trainer support throughout the course. So there are no mediators between you and the faculty. We have a discussion forum, a private group for the particular batch on our WhatsApp as well. If in case you have question, doubts, ask people. You would like to connect with the faculty offline, anytime, any day, you can go ahead, speak, call, whatever it takes. Lifetime access to the course, live classes, recording classes, both. You would like to repeat the same course again and again in 2022, 23, 24, 25, come back without spending even a single penny. You can repeat the course even 100 times. You would like to check the recording lines. We have each and every class recordings available here in our learning management system. You will get lifetime access to the tools, recordings, each and everything that we are going to provide you. And we will keep adding new stuff in the LMS as well. Now, about the course. There are 25 writing styles you're going to learn. There are 12 modules that are part of the course. There is a walkthrough of 150 tools that you're going to learn around, including grammar, let's say grammatical, to find grammatical errors, Grammarly, to improve your language skills, Hemingway app, for the research skills, various internet tools, and everything. Okay. On the other hand, you're also going to experience each and everything live and practical. The training will be delivered every Sunday, 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. This is for the course. The internship will be delivered every Sunday, 8 p.m. till 9 p.m. The next batch starts on 28th of November. But the only challenge is it only has 2 seats. That's it. So we will let you know about December batch because the next batch is falling on around 26th December. So we are unsure we will launch with which day, but we will do something around it. That's the thing. 28th November, we have 2 seats. 20 December, guys, will be accordingly informed. Step number 1. Step number 2, the ticket of the course is 12,900 plus 18% tax. Total is 15,282. I'll provide you with the link only to those 2 people who are interested to take up with the 28th batch, not right now. There are 2 different faculties who are going to host the session. One will be me, other will be my other colleague, Roma Malhotra. She will lead the classes. We will lead each and everything. The entire internship will be led by me. And this is how the overall program is. In total, you're going to learn 26 hours of live lectures plus 110 hours of practical learning. Those includes your assignments and each and everything. All right. Now, to the people, those who are planning to start with this batch, 28th November batch, you have time until 4:10 p.m. This is the link. This link will be automatically expired the moment you will enroll or the first 2, last 2 tickets are sold. Otherwise, we will provide you with a link that we will launch. We are not sure about December 26th is what we will launch or we'll launch in 2022. Those who are not planning to start with can ask their questions now. I am opening next 8 minutes open Q&A round for you guys. Those who are planning to join 28th batch are requested first register and then ask questions. Please do not come back because we have a very strict policy, 30 seats, not beyond that, because 5 students are from the previous batches, those who are rejoining the courses. So at 100, overall, we will have 35 live people, not, even a single person more than this. So you are all requested, whosoever is planning, use the link first and get on board. The rest, go ahead and ask your questions. And those who are planning to leave the class are requested to please provide me with the feedback that how was your overall experience with me in the lesson. Disha, Lakshmi, Manju, Neha, Nitendra, Palak, Palvi, Ritankar, Sashmita, Shanmati, Soumya. We have 2 Soumyas. Okay. One is Soumya, one is Soumya. Suganti, Suvashish, Wahida, Venkateshwara, and somebody named Mainga Renthili. How was your experience? And I request everybody to please go ahead and put their questions in the chat box. Suganti, I know you have raised your hand. Please use the chat box to go ahead and ask your questions. I'm afraid I may not be able to unmute you right now. Thank you. Glad you liked it. Suganti, do not worry. You will be informed about the same batch. I find it interesting. I'm interested in joining, but once again, I need clarity about the timing of the session. I'm going to be only on Sundays or any other day. It's only going to be on Sundays. Sunday 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. are going to be main classes. And then internship lectures. These are again live trainings, 8 p.m. till 9 p.m. It's overall a 4 months program. Even if you miss, you have classes recordings. Okay, kindly let me know the deadline. Thank you. Sugandhi, deadline for this batch is for the last 2 seats. 26, the moment we will open the seat there on the website, go on the portal and register. Can I get back to you if I can join November batch? Manju, do not directly pay. Please go ahead and speak with my colleague. His name is Shiva. All right. I want to join next month. One thing wanted to ask, can speak on a call. Susmita, that works. You can talk to me if you want. If that works, I'll ask my colleague to give you a call. And if you would like to talk to me, I'll ask for the same. Can you give an idea about the package one can expect as a fresher in a job? 18,000 to 20,000 rupees. If you're lucky enough, 25,000 rupees, not more than this. Also, there are a lot of talk about the money freelancers can make within the first month of starting it. Can you give some insights here? You cannot lose 80 kg weight, 50 kg weight in 1 month. Are you with me? It is next to impossible. Like that, these are all false information people are spreading. In the end, what's their final call to action? They encourage you and then they tell you that buy my course. I don't want you to go ahead and believe any of those facts. I have spent 13 golden years of my life in this industry, and that's the reality. The hard part is people, they never talk about the struggle part. I made even 5,000 rupees. Before driving car, I have traveled in the buses as well, and that's the reality. So Palak, if somebody's telling you that you're all good and make a lot of money in first 1 month, then I think everybody will quit their jobs, especially the one who is actually pitching. Well, go ahead and learn. Why is that? Everybody would like to go ahead and enjoy a laptop lifestyle, that you are anywhere making money, having your tea, enjoying with your family, working as per your convenience. So all false information. That's how marketing is. And don't fall in those traps. And I'm not here to give you any false information and then get you as my student. I really want, when you're committed, when you're ready to work hard, and really you have to work hard. If you are ready to give me your time of 4 months, I'll transform you. And if that doesn't happen, this is recorded line, sue me. I'm again repeating again and again. But you have to work hard. As a coach, I can only guide you. That's it. Nothing else. Thank you for a good experience. I didn't know about affiliate marketing and influencer marketing. Glad you liked it. I'm into story writing. This is also a part of content writing, sir. In this course, we cover up story writing, and but our alignment is not from a point of view of just brand building. We cover up from 3 different point of views. Customer engagement, we cover up from social engagement, and of course, brand building reach. I'm from Bangladesh. How do you deal with students outside India? I have a lot of students from Bangladesh in the ongoing batch as well. And when you say dealing thing, we deal very humbly, very politely, as the way we deal with the students, those who are in India or any other part of the world. And if it is about rest of the thing, that job support and all those things, we have global services available. So just don't worry. Subhashish, what's the different writing in this? What are the different writings in this course? There are more than over 25 types of writing styles: articles, blogs, PR, books, press journals, articles, web pages, emailers, reviews, and a lot more. All are written here. It's hard to sometimes call them. These are all types of writing skills you're going to learn, Ritankar. Apart from the course fee, will I be charged during the internship, like ebook publishing and all? No. Other than this, if you are interested to launch your own blog, you will be asked by the companies like GoDaddy and all to pay 500, 600 rupees annually. Other than IIM Skills fee, we are not going to charge you for anything, or the organization like I mentioned to publish your blogs or writing for Times of India, nothing, no cost attached, no hidden fee. I've lost my connection in between. Did you answer to the question? I did, I guess, Venkateshwara. And if in case I missed, please put that question again. I'll repeat my answer, please, for you. Okay, now I think somebody have enrolled. So 1 seat left. Okay, who has a plan to start with the upcoming 28 batch? I know about the 26th one. 28 batch. Please get yourself on board. Please, here is the URL again. Any other person planning to get on board? So that we should know that who's going to enroll and how we are only going to arrange the seat part. How is it possible for content writers to write for some other blog post? It's called relationship building. Part of our training, we coach them how to go ahead and write for others. First, you're going to write for us, and see, I'll tell you one thing. This is what happens in the internship, Shanmati. How to develop those relationships, how to reach out to the market, how to go ahead and convert a normal, let's say, reach into a potential partnerships, everything. So it's a mix of writing, marketing, sales is what, if you have a freelance approach or business approach from the content writing profile, that's going to happen in the program with us. No problem. You're most welcome, Shanmati. I wish you best of luck. Okay, so I'll wait for one last minute. Do you have any other questions, guys, to ask? Sugandhi, can you please use the chat box to ask your questions? That's going to be helpful. Okay, I guess we are all done with the question, the Q&A part. So thank you once again, guys, for participating in the lesson with me. Venkateshwar, please get yourself on board at the earliest. Reason being, you should be able to go ahead and be on board at the earliest. Thank you, Venkateshwar. See you next Sunday then. So if anybody is planning to go ahead and take it forward from here, you guys can get in touch with Siva. Why? Because if there is any kind of a drop off or something, he can fit you guys. So just check with him. Rest, we are all good to go. Thank you once again for participating in this lesson with me. It was really a great session. You guys were really active in the overall session. Thank you once again for your great 1 hour to us. I am really looking forward to coach you well in the upcoming lectures. At the same time, if you guys have any kind of a concern, doubt, or even if you're planning to join other institutions, there are no problems. Feel free to ask us for our feedbacks, for our suggestions, and trust me, we give answers unconditionally. Of course, everybody would like to go ahead and get you as a customer. And of course, we also would like to go ahead and get the same thing, but still we are genuine from that point of view that we will answer you authentically without keeping a condition that, oh, I wish that Neha become my student or Subhashish become my student. So things will be very transformed here, and I would say transparent here, not transformed. Transformation will happen around the career. So once again, thank you everybody. Wishing you all a pleasant evening from here. Enjoy your long holiday as well. And thank you so much. I'm going to end the meeting now. Thank you guys.